or you can form Namaskar Mudra. First we will be performing Omkar 3 times. Breathing in, श्री करुणानिधे नमः। हे परम पिता, हे विश्वपिता, हे राष्ट्रपिता, हे जग आधारा, हे करुणामय दीन दयालु, पूर्ण गुरु हे अपरंपार, हे परेश अब कृपा कर हमें दीजिए शुद्ध विचार, जिससे जनता के सेवक बन मत करे सुखमय संसार। हे नाथ, आपकी कृपा से विश्व का कल्याण हो, सभी कर्तव्य परायण हो, परस्पर प्रेम हो। श्री करुणानिधे नमः। अपने हाथों को एक बार रगड़िए, मसाज योर both the palms, create friction between your both the palms, slowly relax your face and eyelids. We'll be proceeding for today's session of micro yoga. Sit as per your convenient, जैसा आपको अच्छा लगता है वैसे बैठ जाइए। Join your both the thumbs. Inhale, breathe out, deep long breath in. Slowly breathe out. Once more, inhale. Slowly breathe out. First, we'll start our session with neck movements. Right side. 1 breathe out. 2 center breathing in. 3 other side breathe out. 4 breathing in. 5 breathe out completely. 6 breathing in. Try to stay for a second. Last time. 8 center. Breathing in down. Breathe out. Maximum up. Complete movements we are doing. No shortcuts anywhere. Your movement should be very smooth, very slow. Try to perform up and down movement. While inhalation go down, breathe out, maximum up, come to center. Third variation. Try to touch your ear with your shoulders, take it down, still more. 2 center, whatever is your capacity, try to perform little more. 3 other side, 4 center, 5 side bending, 6 center, try to touch your ear with your shoulder, slow down. 8 come to center. Slow movements we are doing, we are handling with our neck. Now rotation movement. Deep long breathe in and go down. Very slowly start from your right, go back, left, come to center. Reverse, slow movements again. Perform very smooth, slow, steady movement. Awareness on your neck, back of your neck and your breath. Slow movements. Try to complete one circular movement in one breath. Breathing in, take your head up. Breathing out, bring it down. Reverse also. Smooth, slow, big circular movement. Once more, we will be performing slow, smooth, big circular movement without any jerk anywhere. After performing equal number of times, come to center. Massage your both the palms. Create friction between your both the palms again. Again, try to massage your neck area and back of your neck area for bringing your neck into shape and also activating these muscles we are doing. Now we will be proceeding for movements for our shoulder. After neck, we are proceeding. Fold your right arm like this, or you can firmly hold like this. Slow, big circular movement. 1. Don't allow other shoulder to come forward. 2. Slow movement. See, 90 degrees, 180, 270, 360. 4. Head will remain in the center. Don't disturb your head. Just watch in the front. 5. Reverse. Back, up, front, down. पीछे, ऊपर, आगे, नीचे. 3. Steady, smooth, big circular movement. Last time. After performing with right arm, we'll be performing with other arm. 1. You can hold or you can fold like this. Head will remain in the center. Don't lower your head. 3. 4. Once more. 5. Reverse. Head up. Center. 2. 3. 4. 5. Normally, tendency of our neck is when our arm is going up, it will try to go down. So that we have to correct. Both the fingertips on shoulders. Inhale. Breathe out. Deep long breath in for first half. Second half, slowly breathe out. Experience what are all happening at your shoulder joint area. Back of your shoulders, at our shoulder plates. 4. Last time. 5. Reverse. Inhale. Try to touch your both the elbows in the middle while breathing out. Breathing in up, breathing out down. 2 more times. 4. 5. Slowly front and back, no jerking again. After performing 4 to 5 times, from the sides, up and down, again relax. After performing movements for shoulders, we will be proceeding for our lungs. Try to form wrist. Inhale 2 to 3 liters of breath in your lungs. Hold for a second, seniors. Slowly come down. Maximum inhalation. Watch up. Fill up your air pipe also here. And slowly come down. Whatever is capacity, try to take little more. Slowly come down. Smooth movement, slow movement. Second variation. Join your both the thumbs. Inhale. Try to form Namaskar. Extend your arms and watch up. 2. Breathe out. Your concentration should be on breathing in. 4. Last time. Inhale. Extend your arms. Slowly come down. On the sides. Inhale. Breathe out. Once more. Breathing in. Breathe out. Fold your palms. Concentrate on your upper back. Inhale. Breathe out. Last time. Inhale. Breathe out. Smooth, big circular movement. Inhale. Take your both the arms up. Slowly create big circular movement. 1. Up to here, breathing in. Start breathing out. 2. Last time. 3. Reverse. Inhale. Join your both the thumbs on the top. Breathe out. Come down. Slowly try to bring perfection in your asana. Maximum inhalation. Slowly coming down. Relax again. Try to form wrist again. Thumbs up. Inhale. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe in here. Breathe out here. 4 to 5 times. Breathing in at the back. Breathe out when your arms are coming in the front. Slow, smooth movements. Next. Relax again. We'll be proceeding for one more asana called Gaumukhasana. Before that, extend your both the arms at your shoulder height. Check whether they are in your shoulder height or not. Stretch your thumb, both the thumbs away from center. Thumb. Then last finger, check. After stretching both the sides, flatten your palms. Now create big circular movement. 1, 2, face normal. 3, head center. 4, last time. 5, reverse. Create big circular again. 4, 3, 2, last time. 1, interlock your arms on the top again. Extend your whole upper body. Neck will remain soft. Right side. 1, head will remain in the center. Elbow try to bring exactly in the middle of your crown. Watch up. Pressurize your elbow. 2, center. Second time. 3, other side. 4, center. 5, 6, center. Last time. 7. Try to hold your other arm. Adjust your elbow. We are proceeding for Gaumukhasana, first variation. Head will remain in the center. Smile will retain on your lips. No tense. Now breathe out. 1, try to touch your elbow down on the floor. 2, keep your spine straight. What is happening? Just do it once more. 3, other side. 4, center. Change. Try to understand the technique of this asana. Upper arm, back of your ear. Elbow, center of your crown. Try to hold and interlock your finger. First adjust, don't be in a hurry. Try to perform quality, not go for quantity. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in, last time. 3, breathe out. 4, center. Slowly take out your arms, relax your arms, or you can massage your both the arms. Again, normalize your breath. Slowly, before proceeding, try to remove your both the legs out. We'll be going for Bhadrasana. Before that, Pakshi Kriya or butterfly posture. Get up, pull your both the legs close to your main body, elbows away from each other, Don't bring like this. Away from each other, create an angle of 30 degrees, spine straight, head normal. You can adjust whatever adjustments you want. Before only, while performing asana, no adjustments will be done. Loosen your thigh area. Face normal. Upper part completely passive. Lower part completely active. Loosen your legs. Try to swing in a smooth fashion. Again, no jerking anywhere. After performing smooth up and down movement, slowly pressurize your both the thighs and slowly take it down towards the floor. New members, just hold by pressurizing your both the thigh area. Hold in the posture. Seniors, those who can able to stay, they can interlock your fingers and be in Bhadrasana. Normal face again. Don't give jerking movement. Just place it there and apply pressure on your knee and hold as per your capacity. Seniors, be with me and normalize your face. 5. Every time, try to take it down at least 2 mm or 3 mm each time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Remain there only in Bhadrasana. Raise your left arm up. Right arm fingertips on the side of your thigh. Lift your body. Go back. 1, 2. Simultaneously we are doing. 1 is twisting. Second in Bhadrasana. Maximum back. 2. Come to center. This will going down and we are taking support of our arm. You can raise and take the support of your knee and go back. 2 simultaneously, multitasking we are doing. 3 other side, knees we are pressuring down and we are trying to twist our spine. 3 maximum back. 4 center, last but 1 time. 5 breathe out, better than last time. 6 come to center, last time. 7, 8. Again, still I believe you are in Bhadrasana. Where are the legs? They are moving front. Don't allow them to move forward. Be straight. Seniors will be performing Supta Bhadrasana. Others just relax. Only seniors, those who can able to do. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in. Very, very important asana for ladies. 3 breathe out. Maximum breathe out. 4 breathing in. Again slowly remove your both the legs out. Try to sit in Dandasana. Place your palms on the sides. Finger pointing towards me. Slowly give up and down movement. Normalize your both the legs. After Bhadrasana, Pakshi Kriya or Titli Asana. Up and down, rotation, slow, big circular movements. After doing clockwise, reverse. After doing reverse, gap between your both the legs. Try to touch your thumb in the center. Last fingers at the corner. The meaning is to create big circular movements. Reverse also. Same number of times. After giving both the sides movement, try to create gap. Try to swing your both the legs. Normalize your blood circulation from your thigh joint up to your both the heels. Now, after doing these kriyas, you can sit for some more time. You can sit in a posture again of your choice. Keep your spine straight. This is our Lakshman Rekha. Don't sit like this. Flatten this area, sit straight. Now, we will be performing for stomach movements. Left arm has to extend more. 1 breathe out. Stay for a second. 2 breathing in as per your capacity. Try to touch your chin with the knee, forehead with the floor. Now right arm has to extend more. 3 other side. 4 center. Breathe out. 5. Extend your left arm maximum without lifting your knee. 6. Come to center. Last time. Now this time right arm has to go away. 7. 8. Now we'll be proceeding for front bending. Again, those who are having severe backache or lower backache, please kindly relax. All other front bending, or you can use your arms. 1. Breathe out. Don't lift your lower back up. Walk with the help of your fingertips. 2. Breathing in. Last time. Here we have to pressurize. Here we have to extend. Last time. Breathe out. 3. Breathe out. Walk with the help of your fingertips. Try to touch your chin of the forehead. Get up. Pressurize your palms and retain the straightness in your spine. Now, after performing movements for our stomach, we will be proceeding for once more Bhadrasana. Straight away, already preparation has been done. Straight away, all can do. Flatten your both the knee down on the floor, hold in the posture with normal expressions on your face. 5, 4, 3, still down, 2, 1. Slowly again come to center in Dandasana. Once after doing this small micro yogas, our body has become warm and ready for the asana. So we'll be proceeding for very, very simple asanas. First, fold your right leg. Straighten your left leg. Adjust little back and check whether both the buttocks are in line or not. So this is just sitting. We are not started yet. Whichever knee is folded, raise your same arm up. See to it that this leg should not fall, knee should not get raised. Take the support of your knee and try to twist your body. 1. Breathe out. Already we did in Bhadrasana. Second time we are doing. You must get little easy. Breathe out completely. Come back. Breathing in. Now extend your both the arms up. Flatten your stomach and try to run your both the arms in parallel with your both the ears. Just go down wherever you can able to catch. New members, those who are having lower backache, please restrict your movement up to here. Don't exceed more. And don't discourage also. Slowly you can able to get whatever is the capacity, there you be satisfied. Or you can use your dupatta or your handkerchief or create a ring here and go down. 1. Breathe out. 2. Get up. Last time. Both the shoulders in line. 3. Breathe out. 2. 1. Come up. 4. Change. Very, very simple, very, very important asana called Janu Sirasana. Straighten your leg. Extend your whichever knee is folded. First preparation we have to do. Take the support of your knee. Flatten your stomach. Go back. 1. Maximum twist. Front leg has to be straight. Go back still. Slowly breathe in. Come to center. Now raise your both the arms up. Flatten your stomach. Run parallel to your ears. Both the upper arms. Now stay here. Normalize your breath. Whatever adjustments your body wants, please do it here. We are not yet started. any asana, don't pressurize your lips. Be normal, a smile is allowed. Now we'll be going down. 1 breathe out, 2 breathing in. For correcting your knee problems, this is very, very important asana. If you are not getting, try to form a ring here and go down. What is happening at the back of your knee? Just watch. 3 breathe out, 2, 1. Spine straight, normalize your back. This is first variation we did. Understood? Now keep your feet on the other thigh. Whatever adjustments we are doing, slowly it was getting up. So that also we will restrict by keeping our heel touching our stomach or abdomen area. Now be comfort in this posture. First round is already done. Now second variation, Janu Sirasana. Interlock your arms and slowly go down similar to how you did previously. Hold here. Normalize your breath. New member, those who are having difficulty, shift to first variation. Any difficulty, go to first variation. Take it down. Now same Kriya. 1 breathe out, 2 breathing in. Last time. 3 breathe out, 4 center. After performing second variation, we'll be going for third variation. Third variation, again, don't allow your feet to slip. Try to take it back and bring your knee in the front. Whichever knee is in the front, same arm, try to hold your feet. You can form a ring like this if you are not getting. Yes. Try to bring one belt or dupatta so that you can able to do all the asanas. Those who are having, please use it. Again, front leg is straight. Gone already. Check. Front leg. Yeah. Raise your arm. Breathe out and go down. First up to here. Normalize your breath. Now, third variation, Janu Sirasana. 1, 2. Straighten your leg. Last time. 3 breathe out. 4 come to center. Change your leg. Already first variation has been done with one leg. So we are straight away going to the second variation. Slowly, first with your willpower, try to perform all the asanas. Then try to bring perfectness in your asana. Next, slowly go down, stay for a second, normalize your breath. Now breathe out. 1, 2, last time. 3 breathe out. 4 spine straight. Now, the technique is try to lift it and take it back. Bring your knee in the center. With a small jerk, try to hold your leg. Straighten your spine again. Raise your arm. Try to hold your feet. Now go down. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in. Last time. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in. So one leg is on the top. Let it be there only. Try to fold this leg and sit in Ardha Padmasana. See, still it is touching my stomach and abdomen area. The other leg, we are supporting this thigh. Keep it under your thigh and sit straight. Now, automatically you see in Ardha Padmasana, your spine has corrected automatically. We are not done much. So, in this posture, we will be doing twisting again. Raise your both the arms. Try to turn your trunk towards right side, not shoulders. From this area, you try to bend little and try to touch the 90 degrees angle with your both the arms. First breathe out. turn, extend your left arm. 1, go down. Don't allow your knee to get up. 2, come to center. Don't take the support of your arms while coming up. Breathe out other side. Now right arm has to extend. Right knee has to be pressurized down. 3, other side. 4, center. Lost but one time. 5, breathe out. 6, come to center. Lost time. Breathe out. Right arm has to extend. Right knee has to be pressurized down. Slowly come up. Those who are having severe backache on the sides, all normal sadhaka, once front bending. 1, breathe out. Allow your heel to pressurize your stomach area. 2, come to center. Slowly bring it down. Now whichever leg is on the top, try to take it down. Same Ardha Padmasana we are doing. Try to bring your other leg. Change. Only changing we are doing. Again, this heel is supporting this thigh and for straightening your spine. Same 4 steps, 2 steps we are doing on the sides and also on the front. First turn. Now see, common mistake here is while going here, it will try to get up. So what we are supposed to do, you anchor this knee with the floor. Don't allow it to go up, come up. Right side. That common mistakes we have to avoid. Right side. Left arm has to extend, left knee has to go down. 1, 2, center. While coming, smoothly you have to come. Other side. 3, other side. Smoothly you come up. 4, your movement should be slow. See, check your leg. Lost but one time. 5, breathe out. 6, breathing in. Last time. 7, breathe out. 8, center. Always while repetition, try to improvise your asana. Last time. 9, breathe out. 10, center. So, try to push your leg back because already it has slipped. What we will do, those who can able to bring the down leg on the top, try to come to Padmasana. Otherwise, half Padmasana. New members in half Padmasana, seniors try to be in Padmasana. Whatever the extra fats that will dissolve slowly. Padmasana is a very, very powerful asana. Just merely sitting in this Padmasana, automatically your spine will be straight. Now in the same Padmasana, we will be doing the same 3 steps. First, breathe out. Turn. Now, left arm. 1, 2, come up. Other side. Breathe out completely first. Then go. Right side. 3. Now that raising of knee is restricted here. 4. Why? Because of Padmasana. That is what is required. Flatten your body in the front. 6, breathe out. 7, breathing in. Slowly come up. Now, one more step is remaining. What is that step? Whichever leg is on the top, try to hold that leg. This is up now. So what I will do? I will take it down. And this was down. I will try to bring it up. Simple Padmasana by changing your leg. Again, check whether you are getting or not. Getting, it's well and good. Not getting, don't struggle. Half Padmasana is enough. Don't force also. Yes. Everything is settled now. We will be going down. Breathe out. Same 3 steps. 1, breathe out. 2, with one leg you are getting very smoothly, with the other leg you are having difficulty. This is common, try to understand why. 4, only one step is remaining, front. Those who are having lower back on the sides, all others, front bending, both the heels are pressurizing our stomach and abdomen area. Slowly get up and come back. So finally you are in, what is happening? You are coming out of Padmasana. Be with me, I am still in Padmasana. Now, slowly raise your body with the help of your both the palms in Padmasana. So what we are supposed to do, see, 1, lift your whole body up. 2, last time. 3, get up. 4, for strengthening your shoulders, arms, upper arms, for reducing the extra fats in this area, this will help. Last time, what we'll do this time? We'll lift our body, try to move front and back, try to make a stand for our body and then give a smooth movement. See once, if you can able to do, those who are in Padmasana, please attempt. All others, just wait. Next week you can able to try. So swing your body to the front and back without any expressions. Last time, get up. Just do front and back and relax. Again normalize your breath and sit straight. Can you able to sit? Knee is having problem. Next, it is not going. Little up. Acha, with this knee you are unable to do. No, generally what happens, you see, with one leg we are getting very smoothly, with the other leg it is difficult. That means which is coming very smoothly, that area or that side we are using more compared to other knee. So now it won't listen, because till now we are given lot of rest to that, and that too we are not aware of it. That is the thing. So try to slowly stand on your knee, if possible. Ho gaya? Fine. Now raise your arm if you can able to. So try to balance your body. Now slowly lift your other arm also and sit down. Yes. You can walk also, because so many mics are there. I cannot able to show you. Remove your both the legs. Out. Now after Padmasana what happens? The circulation will be little less here, this area. So what we will do, we will slowly tap it on the sides and bring your both the legs. Where from we started? Bhadrasana. What happened? Try to be in Bhadrasana again. 5, 4, already Pakshikriya has been done. So we are in Bhadrasana. 3, go down further. 2, 1. Slowly remove your both the legs. Again relax. How we will be relaxing? In different way. Just rub your both the feet one by one and try to relax. After individual leg, try to relax your both the legs. Along with your both the legs, try to keep your both the arms also. Balance your body. Now slowly sit straight. Raise your right leg. Just normalize your breath. Wherever you can able to hold. First at the back of your knee. Second step, slowly hold your calf muscles area. Fine. Third time, Try to hold your ankle, other leg will remain straight. Ekapada Shirasana. So what you are supposed to do? Try to touch your forehead with your upper knee. 1, breathe out. 2, come back. Last time. 3, breathe out. 2, 1. Slowly bring it down. Don't throw your leg. Change. First up to here only. 20 or 30 degrees or 1 feet above. Second step. Slowly hold your ankle joint. Third time. Try to hold wherever is comfortable for you. The other leg which is down has to be straight. Now get up. Try to touch your forehead. 1, 2, hold for 2 to 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Slowly take it down and normalize your breath. Fold your right leg. What is the asana? This is called Ardha Virasana. Or Ardha Vajrasana, you can say. Same. Whatever we did in Janu Sirasana, same we are doing in Ardha Vajrasana. First stay here. Straighten your leg. Only one leg is folded. All other conditions are remaining same. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in. Last time. 3, second time. 4, center. Change. Change your leg. Adjust whatever adjustments your body wants. Try to listen to your body. Now, slowly go down. Stay for a second. While breathing out, go down. 1, 2, last time. 3, other side. 4, center. Remove your, fold your other leg also and be in Vajrasana. Normalize your breath. Now we'll be proceeding for Majrasana. So what we are supposed to do in Majrasana, suppose I am sitting like this. Now create a comfortable gap of this much, 1 feet, one big scale is 1 feet. That much gap between your both the knee. So what we are, first sit straight. Place your palms on your both the thighs. Slowly skid your both the arms till the time your elbows are touching to the floor. Now, try to shift your weight on this area, not on your fingers. Slowly, once you got the measurement and front measurement how much? As per your shoulder capacity. Slowly get up. Till the asana completes, pressurize this area down, this area up. Both the arms in line. Right side, try to turn and watch your back. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in, up. 3, other side, go back. 4, come to center. 5, right side. 6, center, breathing in. 7, other side, breathe out. 8, come to center and slowly sit down. Slowly massage your palms or wrist joint. Second variation. First try to watch me, what you are supposed to do. Try to touch your chin with your chest, called Jalandhar Bandh. First lock we are creating. Second lock, try to touch your navel area with your spine. This is Uddiyana Bandh. So these two bandhas we are applying here. Try to understand and do. First watch once. Those who know, please attempt. First come to this posture. Now you see, breathing in up, breathing out. Try to touch your chin with your chest, suck your navel in, lift your spine. This is breathing out. Breathing in, slowly pressurize your lower back down, head up. Now you understood, we'll be repeating. 1, breathe out. 2, breathing in. We are repeating. 3 breathe out. 4 breathing in. Last time. 5 breathe out completely. 6 breathing in. Again, slowly sit down and massage your wrist joint. Third variation. Again, watch me once, and again I will show you what are the common mistakes that you are not supposed to repeat. So try to go to like Ardha Dhanurasana, but the leg what I will show you. Don't get confused. First we are doing like this. Now minimize the gap between your both the knee. First step. Second step, take out your right leg. See, common mistake is it will try to fall like this, out inside. What we are supposed to do, first straighten it, lift it straight and turn it outside. Now you understood? Understood? And raise it up. 1, 2, please do it. Other leg. First straighten it, lift it, turn your heel. 3, raise it little more, concentrate on your thigh, your knee joint. 4, right leg, don't turn it back much. 4, get it up, still up. 6, last time. 7, concentrate from your hip joint, turn your hip out, knee out, ankle joint out. 8, slowly sit and massage your both the wrist joint. Normalize your breath. This is very, very important asana for lower backache problems. So this is called Majrasana. Now we'll be proceeding for Surya Namaskar. Get up, turn your carpet, turn towards east. Sun is rising from where? East. So we have to turn towards east for performing Sun Salute or Surya Namaskar. First, close your eyes. Join your both the feet perfectly and try to form Namaskar. Start concentrating on Sun God. Mantracharana will be performed. First, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Savitre Namaha, Om Adityaya Namaha, Om Anshule Namaha, Om Bhanave Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Full rounds. 1 breathe out, stretch your arms. 2 breathing in, extend your whole body up. Juniors stay here. Seniors slowly bend back as per your capacity. 3, forward bending, breathe out. Left leg back, straighten it. Breathe in. Juniors, be like this. Seniors, raise their both the arms up. Both the palms in line with your feet. Take your front leg back in Parvatasana, mountain pose. 6, drop your both the knee down. Try to touch your chin and chest while breathing out. Get up in Sarpasana. Drag your body to the front. Watch maximum up. 7, Bhukampasana. Again normal breathe in, breathe out. Left leg front. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana as per your capacity.
Next, both the legs in front. Repeat Padahastasana. Vrikshasana.
Namaskara. One Hastasana, breathe out. Two Ardha Chandrasana, breathing in. Three
Padahastasana. Right leg back.
breathing in. Asvasanchalanasana.
Both the legs back. Mountain pose. Parvatasana. Normalize your breath here. Sastanga Namaskara. Breathe out completely.
7
Sarpasana.
8
Bhukampasana. Normalize your breath. Right leg front. Repeat
Asvasanchalanasana.
both the legs in line along with your both the palms. Repeat Padahastasana. Vrikshasana.
Namaskara. Whenever you feel tired, please sit down. Don't exceed your limit. 1 breathe out. 2 breathing in. 3 breathe out.
Left leg back. Breathe in.
Both the legs back.
Normal breathe in, breathe out. Both the knee down. Sastanga Namaskara. Breathe out.
7 breathing in. Sarpasana.
8 normalize your breath in Bhukampasana. Left leg front. Repeat
Asvasanchalanasana.
both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Vrikshasana.
Namaskara. 1 Hastasana. 2 breathing in. 3 breathe out.
Padahastasana. 4
Asvasanchalanasana. 5
Parvatasana. Normalize your breath.
6 Sastanga Namaskara.
Breathe out.
7 Sarpasana. Breathing in. 8
Normalize your breath. Right leg front. Repeat
Asvasanchalanasana.
both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Both the arms up. Vrikshasana.
Rotation and form Namaskara. Again, those who are tired, please sit down. 2 more asanas are remaining. As per your capacity, will be performed. 1 2
3 left leg. Breathe in.
4
Parvatasana. Normalize your breath. Sastanga Namaskara. Breathe out.
Sarpasana.
Breathing in.
Bhukampasana.
Normal breathe in, breathe out. Left leg front.
Breathing in. Repeat Asvasanchalanasana.
Both the legs front. Repeat Padahastasana. Breathe out completely. Vrikshasana.
Breathing in. Namaskara. Last round we are performing with right leg. 1 2 3, breathe out. Right leg back, straighten it. Both the legs back. Parvatasana, normalize your breath. Drop your both the knee down. Very slowly go to Sastanga Namaskar. Stomach will remain up in this posture. 7, breathing in, broaden your chest and shoulders in Sarpasana. Shoulders back. Go to Bhukampasana. Walk one step in, take your head down towards the floor. Right leg front. Repeat Asva Sanchalanasana. The other leg has to go back straight. Don't take support of your knee. Next, yes. Both the legs back, front. Repeat Padahastana. Don't raise your arms. Rotation and form Namaskar. 2 things I wanted to just show you what is happening. First, you are taking support like this. This should not be done. This, like this only. Many ladies. So what you are supposed to do, you have to straighten it. Broaden your chest and this is enough. And after going to Bhukampasana or this asana, what you are doing? You are bringing your legs like this and try to adjust something. No. Once your legs are at the back, see, place your feet in line with your both the palms and slowly bring your other arm also down. So this will remain here only. You are not supposed to disturb. Minimize the disturbance. Initially you can do. And finally, you try to take your forehead down towards your both the knee. And while coming up, broaden your chest and shoulders, create big circular movement and come back. Sit in Nishpanta Bhavasana. So the leg has to straight. And if possible, try to lift your knee. Don't rest it on the floor. Initially, first length straighten it and slowly try to raise it up without support of your knee. That will be little difficult, but results are very, very important. Both the legs in front, both the palms at the back. Relax in Vichasana, Nishpant Bhavasana. Take the support of your knee. Both the palms. Drop your head on your shoulders. Continue deep, long breath in, breath out. Normalize your breath. Fold your both the legs one by one. Slowly go to Shanti Asana or Shavasana. Palms facing towards sky. Shoulders in. Straighten your both the legs one by one very slowly. Drop your whole body on the floor. Fast movements are very easy. We are supposed to perform smooth movements. Drop your complete body weight on the floor. Surrender yourself to the Supreme Lord. Loosen your whole body from the feet up to your skull area. Initially, concentrate on your breath, then start loosening your body from the feet up to top of your head, step by step. Once your body is relaxed, again concentrate on your breath. Feel whether it has become normal or not. Try to make it normal. Whenever there is awareness on your breath, Within no time, your breath will become normal. In Shanti Asana, our mind is alert, our body is at rest. Full awareness on your body, starting from the feet, ankle joint, knee joint. So like that, step by step, try to loosen your complete body parts up to your skull area. Eyes close gently. Tongue on your lower jaw. Open your eyes very slowly. Feel the external environment. Fold your right leg. Fold your left leg. Turn to one side. Take the support of your palm. Slowly sit in a posture of your choice. Try to sit in Vajrasana if possible. Otherwise, you can select Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana also. Any pose, only see to it that your spine should remain straight. Try to form Namaskar. Again, we are performing a small prayer, then we'll conclude this session. त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीमामृतः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम तत्सत्। Breathe in, bow down your head, surrender to Supreme Lord. Raise your head up. Good morning to all. Thank you very much for coming. Have a nice and wonderful Friday. Tomorrow